Today's video, I'll be showing you how you can make 10,000 Naira every 10 minutes on this particular website that contains a lot of things. It is a single website that actually has a lot of things you can do. There are things you are actually doing that are not getting paid. And there are things you've actually been thinking of how to do to get paid, but you don't know how to do those things. Today, I'll be revealing this website that contains a lot of things, multitude of things that you're actually going to get yourself involved in. And all those things you'll be doing at every point in time is going to be giving you at least 10,000 Naira every 10 minutes. If you're going to take everything we'll be teaching you today very seriously. Welcome back to my name. My name is Linus, and in this channel, I do videos that teach you how to make money online and also how to scale your online business. If this is the kind of content you would like to watch, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also give this video a thumbs up if you're actually getting anything from it. Please, you can also share this video with your family and friends so that those people who are actually in need of how to make money online are going to be watching this video and also be implementing what is going to be taught in this video, and they themselves will start making their own money. Please make sure that you watch this video from beginning to the end. Do not watch middle, you jump up and start implementing it. Please no, watch from the beginning to the end and ensure you understand every step by step that I'm going to be teaching you today, because if you miss any step, you are going to miss a lot of things. So make sure you stick around, watch to the end, and start implementing. Now, this website we're talking about is a website known as payrouteonline.com. If you look at this website, there are a lot of things that you can do on this website. If you look at this places, why Payroute? The first thing that Payroute comes into your mind is it has a first payout. Get paid within 24 hours from the time you make withdrawal. Our withdrawal is faster than you think into any bank in Nigeria within minimum withdrawal of just 150 Naira. Once you make up to 150 Naira, you are going to be withdrawing into your account as quickly as possible. Then you have unlimited tasks. Each earn from the unlimited amount of tasks available. You can earn from watching videos, pay to clicks, offer war, claim code, referrals, and also writing. And then you can also refer some of your friends, and once they start making money, you too also be making money. And you have weekly contests on this particular website. We pay out our users and you get to win around extra cash every week for outstanding performance. You get to see your username on the leaderboard ranking to see your performance ranking. So once you do all these things, you're going to get paid. And they have paid more than 18.7 million Naira to Nigerians free of charge. So when you come to this particular website, you see that this website has about 5 stars on Trustpilot. People have gone to Trustpilot to actually review this website and found out that this website is doing very, very well. So what you need to do on this website, you click on sign up. When you sign up, you write your first name, your username, your email address, your phone number, your password, you confirm your password, and you hit the sign up button. But for me that I've already had an account here, so what I'm going to do right now is to click on login. Now, this is how the dashboard looks like. And if you come over to this particular website, if you look at your left-hand side, you're going to have the content. You have this blog contest. Is if you are able to, if you know how to write, if you can write and your blog is able to have about 8,000 impressions, you'll be paid 1,000 Naira. And if you write a very good content, definitely you're going to have more than that particular impression per day. And you also have points, you have read blogs. If you read blogs, you're going to get paid. You have some PR tasks you can do. You have some TW tasks. You have quiz. You have offer war. This particular offer war is a website on its own, but was incorporated into this particular website. And before you be able to sign into offer war, you definitely have to sign into payroute.com. Let's say if you click on this offer war now, you have a lot of offers that you can do. All these things are surveys. You have if you click on this survey, for instance, it's going to open for you And once it opens, if there's any survey at that point in time, you will do the survey. Like this place, you have this particular survey that is going to give you 52 Naira. You have this survey that's going to give you 11 Naira 60 Kobo, and so on and so forth. You can also watch video. You can do daily tasks. Let's go over to daily tasks. These are daily tasks you can do. If you do this daily task, you're going to have 40 Naira. It's going to give you 60 Naira. It's going to give you 60 Naira. And if you come down again, and if you have this claim code, this claim code is posted a Twitter handle, you'll be able to get this code. And once you click on this particular claim code and click on claim code, you definitely get what that particular claim code is all about for that particular day. Then the one that makes me so happy about this is this. If you click on create blog right now, and for you, like I said before, if your blog is up to 8,000 impressions, you'll be paid 1,000 Naira. And if you know how to write blog very, very well, it's going to be an avenue for your blog to be monetized, because in this place, you also have blog monetization to do if you know how to write, or even if you don't know how to write. If you just need to take out some topics that you can write, you can quickly go to ChatGPT. Let ChatGPT write those blog posts for you. Come here, post it, then come here, select the category of blog post you want. Is it fun? Is it story? Is it technology, football? Is it trending? Then once you finish that one, you now save your blog post so that, and you're going to have 1,000 Naira each time, about 8,000 impressions. Always good for you to upgrade. The categories of upgrade that you can do for you to be able to get this thing. If you click on plans now, there are different plans that you can actually do for you to get more money. You have one, we have free plan. That's one I've just signed up to, but I'm going to upgrade it to 2,800 Naira per month plan. And you have 1,000 Naira per month plan. You're going to have daily reward. You have earnings that will be increased by 10%. You have customer support. You have 100% earning, daily earning, hourly earning, 2 blogs per day. That is, if you post blogs, it will be visible. But on free, you cannot have any visible post or blog post for others to watch. And it's always good for you to choose between this 1,000 Naira and a 2,800 Naira plan, so that by the time you post your blogs, people can actually see it. And once you get up to 8,000 impressions, you'll be paid 1,000. And you know what that one means? If you actually write a very good blog, definitely this particular website is going to share your blog post to other websites. Please, if you're still watching up to this particular point in time, please make sure you go down to the subscribe button. Please go and hit the subscribe button. Hit the subscribe button. Please, you can also ask me questions. Any question, any concern, go to the comment section and raise any concern. I'll be there at every point in time to respond to your questions. Please, if you're getting value from this particular video, please make sure you're going to give this video a thumbs up and share it with your family and friends, so that YouTube is going to pick it up and share it to other people. But every day you log into this website, because each time you log into this website, there is always a reward for you, and it is those rewards that also gather together for them to give you what you need to do. Like I said before, please try as much as possible to subscribe to any of these plans. Any of these plans, that the 1,000 Naira plan or the 2,000 Naira per month plan. And meaning, being a starter, you can start with this 1,000 Naira plan. And then make sure there's another thing. If you come to this dashboard now, from this particular dashboard, there's a place we have referral. Go to this particular place, copy your referral link, and go and paste it somewhere. Then you'll be using the referral link to invite people. Each time anybody signs through your referral link, this is what you're going to be getting. Let me just go back to the plan again. It is from the plan that you'll be able to know how much you'll be getting each time somebody signs up using your referral link. Let's go to the plan again. If you come here to this particular 2,800 Naira per month advanced plan, you will see that you're going to have increased referral earnings, about 15% of whoever that joins through your referral link. So you can activate this plan if you can. If not, activate this particular plan and still go up and make sure that you are going to invite people, turn up using your own referral link. These are some of the tasks you can do on a daily basis to get more money. If you have this Facebook page, like and follow. If you do it, you're going to have 60 Naira. You share my post to your Twitter page, it's going to be 60 Naira. Watch, like, and subscribe and share. Going to have 60 Naira. Please make sure you can view all these tasks that you have here. Make sure that once you view all these tasks, this micro task, click and survey task, once you do them, you keep increasing your own earnings. Guys, you can see that on this particular website, the pay route, a lot of opportunities abound there. Whichever one you know you can do, please go and take advantage of this website right now. Please go and subscribe to my channel. If you have any question, go and ask. And since we've watched to this particular point, I say thank you. This is Linus signing out. See you in my next video.